SP Chief Mulayam Singh Yadav is all set to celebrate his 75th birthday. His party is planning a grand two-day celebration for the SP Supremo. These celebrations include, believe it or not, a 75-foot birthday cake, a special buggy ride for the SP Chief around the SP stronghold of Rampur. The BJP, of course, is alleging that state funds are being used for this grand birthday bash.
When we talk to some of the organizers here, they're saying that it has nothing to do with the state government. We'll have to eventually see where the bills are really going and who is really footing all these bills for these massive celebrations. But for the time being, they are maintaining that these are all private funding, or of course organized by the local figurehead for the Samajwadi Party here in Rampur, who happens to be Azam Khan. Remember, for Azam Khan too, there have been a number of questions on his relevance anymore, especially after the poor performance of the Samajwadi Party in the Lok Sabha elections. Although they would want to say that in the by-polls, the party was able to make a comeback of sorts. But for the time being, it is really important for the Samajwadi Party to be able to hold on to its constituencies and to be able to once again send out a message that when it comes to scale, they are not really far behind either. So for the time being, as I mentioned, it is just about scale in Rampur, and it's expected to continue for the next couple of days.
मुलायम सिंह जी के जन्म दिवस की पूर्व संध्या पर उनको जन्मदिन की बधाई। अपने नेता का जन्मदिन कार्यकर्ता मनाता है और मनाना चाहिए, क्योंकि कार्यकर्ता इंस्पायर्ड होता है। पहले लेकिन जिस तरह से एक भव्य आयोजन की तरह सरकारी खर्चों पर जन्मदिन मनाने का उपक्रम किया जा रहा है, विक्टोरिया की बग्घी पर समाजवाद आएगा। जिस सादगी की बात लोहिया जी करते थे, उस सादगी का कैसे माखल उड़ा रहे हैं समाजवादी? क्या यही समाजवाद है? जिस राज्य में 3676 प्राथमिक विद्यालयों में पीने का पानी नहीं है, राज्य के 54 जिले सूखाग्रस्त हो, वहां पर 46 मंत्री आज रामपुर में जन्मदिन समारोह सरकारी खर्चे पर। सवाल उठेगा और सवाल का जवाब समाजवादियों को देना चाहिए।
The celebrations here in Rampur are just about scale. If you can look around me, almost everywhere there are big signs of how they are planning the next 2 days. You have school children coming in and setting up rangolis everywhere. You have massive presence of the state machinery. The police is almost everywhere. In fact, if I could just ask my video journalist to give you a sense of how this entire thing is looking right now. We are standing right now at Ambedkar Park, and the final location where all the celebrations are expected to take place is this place called Jawahar University. Now, almost across the line, around 14 kilometers, you can see on both sides there are balloons, there are flowers and celebrations marked almost everywhere. This is just about showing the strength. Once again, a sign coming in from a leader from Samajwadi Party. We've seen all the celebrations taking place in Mainpuri every year, but this has of course been taken to another level. The Victorian cart is expected to come in, where Mulayam Singh Yadav would be starting from this point at Ambedkar Park. Will be going all the way to the university, where the cake is expected to be cut at midnight tonight. Now that's again a slight bit of a change. We've not seen political leaders celebrating their birthdays at midnight, but the cake cutting ceremony is expected at midnight, and it's supposed to carry on through the night as well. Once again, another lot of school children coming in here and setting up their musicals and just trying to make sure that the scale is once again very clearly visible. So for the time being, as far as the overall preparations is concerned, everything is on a high swing, which is just an indication that if it is the birthday of the Supremo of Samajwadi Party, the entire state, or at least this entire city of Rampur, has been brought to a complete standstill.
This lavish spending of money on his birthday smacks of a very petty feudal mind of Mulayam Singh Yadav and his associates. At a time when the farmers of UP are committing suicide, the youth in UP are unemployed, there are thousands of cases reported of rape and murder of women, Dalits and the poor. There are over 200 cases of communal riots where hundreds have lost their lives. Mulayam Singh is celebrating his birthday on the suffering of all these people. I can tell you this much: the curse of the people of UP will be now. It will turn out that this whole birthday celebration, the Saifai celebration, will be the Waterloo for Mulayam Singh Yadav and his party in the forthcoming days in UP.
आदरणीय मुलायम सिंह यादव जी शतायु हों, चिरायु हों, दीर्घायु हों, स्वस्थ रहकर अपनी विचारधारा के अनुसार समाजवादी आंदोलन को पुष्ट करें, ऐसी मेरी शुभकामना है। लेकिन समाजवादी व्यक्तित्व का, समाजवादी आंदोलन के पुरोधा का जन्मदिन इस प्रकार मनेगा, इसकी कल्पना शायद राम मनोहर लोहिया, आचार्य नरेंद्र देव और जनेश्वर मिश्रा ने नहीं की थी। मैं इतनी बात कहना चाहता हूं, दिन भर पानी पी पी कर मोदी को कोसने वाले नेता ये बता दें कि नरेंद्र मोदी ने अपना जन्मदिन जम्मू कश्मीर के बाढ़ पीड़ितों के पीड़ित लोगों के बीच में जाकर मनाया था और सियाचिन में भारत माता की रक्षा करने वाले सैनिकों के बीच में मनाया था। ये शाही बग्घी में बैठकर जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं। मोदी समाजवादी है, मोदी जनता डाउन टू अर्थ है या मुलायम सिंह डाउन टू अर्थ है, समाजवादी पार्टी डाउन टू अर्थ है या भारतीय जनता पार्टी डाउन टू अर्थ है, यह साबित हो जाएगा।